Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to set up store depth tracking in GA4 using Google Tag Manager. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So we'll be showing store depth tracking for this website. I will be basically showing if someone scrolls to your website 25%, 50%, 75%, and 90%. Okay, so let's do that. So first of all, you can see I have already created a tag manager account and set up all the necessary events like Google tag for GA4 and page view event. And additionally, I have created a GA4 property. Okay. So first of all, we need to enable some built-in variables. So we'll go to the variables section. Okay. Then I'm gonna click on configure and I'll scroll down. Then you'll have some stalling variables like store depth threshold, store depth unit, store direction. So I'll enable all of them. Then I'll be creating a trigger for the store depth event. Okay. So the trigger name would be scroll depth, and I want to scroll vertically, so this vertical way. Then I want to see 25% store depth, 50%, 75%, and 90%. Okay, perfect. Then I want to trigger it for the all pages. If you want to trigger it for the some pages, then you can uh use some pages and then use some certain pages, but I want to see for the all pages. So I'll click on save and the trigger name be store depth. Okay, perfect. Then I'll create a tag. So the tag name would be GA4 event store depth tracking. Okay, you can name it as per your requirements, no worries. Then I'll be choosing tag configuration as Google Analytics GA4 event. Then I have already created the measurement ID. So I'm going to use this measurement ID. So you'll see the green signal if your Google tag matches with the measurement ID. Then the event name would be scroll underscore depth. Then I want to see some percentage, okay, of scroll depth threshold. Okay, so I'm going to choose this scroll depth threshold, and at the end, I'll be providing a percentage sign. Okay, and in the event parameter, you can uh you can use this as event name. So I will be using this as event name. So I'm gonna copy this as event name. Then I will be adding another two parameters, which would be basically scroll depth unit, and then the last one would be scroll direction. So I can use this scroll depth unit, and the last one would be scroll direction. Okay, perfect. Now we'll set up the trigger. Okay, so I'll be using this trigger and click on save. So we'll be viewing it from the debug view, real time. Okay, so let's enable the debug view and see it real time. Perfect. So I'll click on the preview section. Then I'm going to provide the website URL, which is this one. Then I'll hit connect. Okay, perfect. So let's scroll 25%. Then there should be an event called depth. So if I go to the variable, then you can see scroll depth threshold 25% is scroll depth unit percent, scroll direction vertically. So I have scrolled by vertically, that's why it is showing. Okay, so let's scroll by 50%. So there should be another event. So you can see scroll depth threshold 50. Okay, then let's scroll 75. So here is 75, and let's scroll 90. So here is 90. So let's go to the analytics and see if we can see it real time. So you can see scroll depth 25%, scroll depth 50%, scroll depth 75%, and scroll depth 90%. So if I click on it, then you'll see scroll depth unit, scroll direction, so everything is working properly. So this is how you can set up scroll depth tracking on your website and track some percentage scroll depth for your landing page or website. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can consider subscribing our channel, following our page. You have a nice day. And additionally, after making the changes, you can submit the changes, So I'm gonna publish the trigger. Publish the changes actually, not trigger. Sorry. So yeah, that's it for this video. You have a nice day. Bye bye.